Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I want to tell you why you need to mix coffee with dish soap. If you have never done this, I advise you to try it because the result is truly amazing. In all the cases I will talk about, used coffee grounds will do, that is what remains in the coffee maker or coffee machine. If you brew coffee directly in the cup, then to use coffee grounds you do not need to add coffee creamer, milk and sugar. So tip number 1. Take a small container and pour a couple of spoons of coffee into it. To prevent the coffee from spilling, you can cover the container with a lid or cling film and make a few holes. Place this container in the refrigerator. This life hack will help you get rid of unpleasant odors that may be in your fridge due to various products and prepared foods. Coffee grounds can also eliminate unpleasant odors on your hands, such as after chopping garlic or onions. Just rub them with coffee grounds and rinse under water. For the next tip, we will need 2 liters of water, room temperature, and 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. Stir well and leave in a cool place for 1 to 2 days. After 2 days, the solution must be filtered to separate the liquid from the coffee grounds. In this simple way, we have made an excellent fertilizer for plants. The fact is that coffee grounds contain nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and calcium, which are very useful for plants. It also contains organic matter that improves the structure of the soil. They increase its acidity, which is very useful for plants that prefer acidic soil. This solution can be used to fertilize azaleas, rhododendrons, hydrangeas, roses, tulips, peonies, as well as blueberries, lingonberries and strawberries. Of my flowers, clivia and tradescantia like acidic soil. Now take a damp napkin and pour a few spoons of used coffee on it. My napkin and coffee are both wet, but if you want to do this, dry the napkin and coffee grounds well, they should be dry. Gather the edges of the napkin together. And secure them with an elastic band. This is how you get a wonderful sachet fragrance. Put it in your closet and you will forget what an unpleasant smell in the closet is. For tip 4, we need to mix dish soap with coffee. Take a small container and pour 100 ml of dishwashing liquid into it. Next you need to add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds here. Mix everything thoroughly. Coffee grounds contain small particles, which makes them great at removing even the most stubborn dirt from pans and pots, and when combined with dishwashing liquid, they remove grease and dirt even better. You can safely use this product to clean wooden kitchen fronts, tiles, stoves, pots, and wash dishes. Dip a damp sponge into the product and you can start cleaning. I'll show you using the example of an air grill basket. It's not advisable to scratch or damage the inner surface, but it gets dirty quite well during cooking and it's not always easy to clean. So coffee cleans everything well and does not damage the coating. Therefore, this cleaning agent is perfect for cleaning non-stick pans, especially the insides where grease tends to accumulate. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Try adding coffee to your dish soap and share your results in the comments. If the video was useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.